Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you all the DecoArt stuff. These are all the paints I got from DecoArt that they sent me. I'm going to be doing, well, all them colours. It's going to be kind of like a fiery type of acrylic bar. So I'm going to be testing out these lovely DecoArt paints. I'm going to be doing this one and I'm going to do another one in a different video. My idea is fire and ice. Kind of like an inspiration from Iceland. But yeah, I'm going to do them paintings and then I'm going to review the paints, and I'm going to be using the pouring medium that they sent me, which is right here. This stuff, I'm going to be using this stuff, and then when it's dry I'm going to be putting the top coat on, and then I'm going to be reviewing the whole paints and medium what they sent me. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so we're back. It's been a few days because it's just been too loud here. Out that way there's all like diggers and stuff going on, so It's been a while, but the painting is definitely dry. And you'll see, I'll pop up a video of the close-up of it. It came out pretty well. The paint and the pouring medium worked absolutely like phenomenal. Normally with my paint, with my medium that I use myself, there's actually a video, I'll pop it up in the top of how I make my pouring medium. I have to add water to that because I need it, like, you know, you need it flowable. When I use that pouring medium, it's kind of thick. You have to add water basically to thin it down. But with this pouring medium, it was like I didn't add any water at all, and you'll see in the video like how thin the paint is. So I used half of this tub, which is 16 fluid ounces for Americans, and then it's 473 milliliters for us Europeans, which is, I looked up on, DecoArt sent me this stuff for free to test it out because they're awesome like that for helping out artists. But I'm here to give an honest review of them. It is kind of pricey a little bit. I looked up on Amazon UK, it was 35 British pounds for one of these bottles, and I used half of it for a 16 by 16, which is, it's not too bad. Like if you're doing commission paintings, like you're obviously going to make your money back from it. But I thought it came out pretty well. Like this is here. And I barely used the creme brulee torch to get cells, and like I did use it, but not like, even with just pouring it, the cells came up through it. When I was doing it, I put the silicone in the red, one of the reds and one of the yellows. Doesn't really matter which one because you're not going to replicate it, it's impossible. But yeah, I would recommend buying this stuff. Just at least try it out once, see if you like it. And the paint is phenomenal as well, it's brilliant. I'm going to do another video like this. These ones are kind of, as you see probably on my channel, I have recent videos of me in Iceland with two of my friends, which this one is like inspired by Iceland, I guess. This is fire. Iceland is known as the land of fire and ice, like, so this is fire. I'm going to do ice next. I'll show you the paints I'm going to do next. These colours right here, I'm going to use these 6 colours and make a nice one. Yeah, and then I'm going to do a top coat because they did send me top coat as well. This stuff, I have a friend in America that told me about this stuff even before I got it, and said it's brilliant. You can just pour it onto the painting and move it around like you're doing an actual painting. So I'm interested to see this stuff. So I'm going to do the red one and I'm going to do the blue one. But I'll do that in a separate video. So I'm going to do the blue one. You see probably blue one coming up. I might do it today. So I'll do the blue one and then I'll do a separate video of putting this stuff on, which should be cool. So I'm going to end the video here and I'm going to get to painting that, I guess. So thanks for clicking on the video, thanks for watching it. Leave a comment if you like it or have any questions, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.